Good morning, everyone. Welcome, good morning. New week started and no more vacation. Back to the work, Back to doing what's best. Trying to print some money, right? All right. Yes, yeah. Hey, good morning. Good to see you here. First one in the morning, first one in the week. How's everybody doing? Well, let's go over some time frames and let's see what is happening. Let's look a quick glimpse on the higher time frames as well, all right? Okay, so this is the daily chart. Good morning, Naomi. Good to see you. So let's see what happened in the past couple of days. And there are some levels that I think we need to talk about, and one of them is the 1st of August, and this is the daily chart again. Look at that. We are going straight up here. I don't think we're gonna stop here, so I'm definitely gonna stay bullish for the day. Why? Because we have this high from the 1st of August, which is 717. So swing high, 1st of August. Okay. Let's put it there. Top right. All right, so that's a significant level, and as you can see, this is the 15-minute chart. We're not so far, we're absolutely not so far from it, and you can do it. Now, is it going to do it today? Who knows? Nobody knows, but that level at 717 is going to be one significant high. All right. Otherwise, there was a new week opening gap here and another fair value gap, which pretty much acting as resistance. I would say short-term target would be the sell side liquidity at 572. It looks like it really wanted to go for it. Now at the new hour on the 5-minute, let me go down to the 1-minute. Come on. All right. So this is the 1-minute. It seems like that price wants to sweep some more liquidity. Otherwise, I would say, Lamin, good morning. I would say that this is pretty much a decent level that price wants to go for. Not saying it will, but the sell side liquidity is actually a Friday PM session low, right? Yes. So this is a Friday New York PM session low. So I don't know what you guys think, but I think it's still a good target to sweep liquidity. I should say there has to be some liquidity below that level, and there is an unbalanced price range on the mini, not on the micro, but I'd say there is some unfinished business down there. If not, we will obviously continue. Now I'm on the 1-minute, so let's go just higher from here. On the 5-minute, there is a bearish order block up there at the 640-ish levels. Not a perfect one, but it's a good one. It's good enough for targets if we want to go long. Obviously, we took out some Asia lows, so this could be it. We don't necessarily have to go down there and sweep the liquidity. Obviously, the best choice right now is, as always, to wait and see what the market wants to do. But I'd say we have a good chance in both directions. Jumping into a short right now for me would be a little bit of a well, a little bit of a gamble. Although in this fair value gap, which was at 120 on the 5-minute, this is the 5-minute chart. You can always see from this window here that I'm on the 5-minute right now. So this fair value gap is still could be pushing price lower. The 140 candle tapped into the gap could be pushing it down further into 572. All right, so this one is still in place. No shift on the 1-minute, and just because we started out the kill zone a few minutes ago, well, there's nothing else I can go with here. Yeah, look at that. Now if we zoom out the 1-minute, we can clearly see that it's shifting down again here as a bearish market structure shift right there. Look at that. If you want to be real aggressive, you can take it, obviously. I might even take it. Who knows? Who knows? I might even take it. I don't know. I want to wait for the close. All right, I took it. I took it, but so I entered to a short. I want to target the 72, 75. A little bit aggressive. Let me show you guys the entry. This is it. It's on a different account. Which account is this? This one. I don't even have a stop loss. Oh, there you go. I think it filled. Okay. All right. So this was a scalp trade. We took out the 72, and this is it. No orders. Okay, so as we expected, we took out the Friday PM session low, and that's it. ERP Media, good morning. Thank you. Thank you. It was just a scalp trade. Obviously, nothing special here. Just as I was saying, we had this PM session low. Now, after this point, I would definitely be looking for long opportunities. So I only took it with 5 micros, so not a big deal. Marco, good morning. Good to see you, Marco. So after this, I'd say let's wait for a shift. There is one more sell side. Look at this. This is from pre-lunch hour. Let's just mark it up on the 5-minute. All right. If you look to the left on the 5-minute right here, there is one more sell side, not that significant. 547. I'm not sure if it wants to go there, but look at this candle on the 5-minute. Pre-lunch hour on Friday. And this is inside of this fair value gap. Obviously, at the midpoint there. Could go down. 5-minute fair value gap down there. Let me put this here and here and here. So that could be the final target. I have no idea, but I'm not going to jump into a short. I'm definitely not jumping into a short. Abs is here. Welcome. Good to see you. Lemmy is saying I'm waiting to buy at 546. That's a good target. That's a good target. So So you guys can wait for this area, right? So let's see. Obviously there is no shift yet, not on the 1 minute. We're definitely still bearish. There is one more level at 47. An email today from Plane. Oh, nice, Abs. That's great. Usually, well, for me, it took like, well, after the email, it took like a day or something. Something like that. Congratulations. After I got the email, I think it was in about a day, or not even a day. 5 accounts, but I wasn't sure how to credit you. Oh, that's fine. if you just, you know, when you buy the discount, you just type in the tomsabo code, you know. Oh, fast track trading. Well, you can click on my link before you purchase. There is a link in the description. There is a link in the description. So also in the chat, and then also down below the description, but it's fine, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry about it, Ebbs. It's fine. Hopefully, I mean, even if you need it next time, hopefully you won't. You can still find it. It's always down there in the description, or the chat is going to spam it in. I'm in the Streamlabs bot. But it's fine, Abs. Don't worry about it. For now, there's only referral links. No special codes. All right, let's see what's going on. It seems like it's building up some structure here. Yeah, Quant Tower is great. Go with it. Let's see. We still have that sell side liquidity, so I'm not sure that this is just going to pop higher here. And we have no news, guys. Have you checked? Absolutely no news. The only thing we have today is this FOMC member Waller is going to speak at 9:15 Eastern Standard Time, so that's it. Do you know how to have magnet snap function on Quant Tower? I don't know how to do it on Quant Tower. The magnetic snap is like, I mean, it's automatically snapping. For example, if I want to put in a line, if I put it here, it puts there automatically, at least for me. If I go near to some level or some wick or whatever, it just puts it there. But that's all I know. So I don't know how the rest is working. Is there a special way to do it? But, you know, should be all right. I think we're going down to that gap. How about that? 72. It's like 20 points drop. It really feels like it wants to go. The low-hanging fruit was this, but are we gonna go lower? I have no idea. I have to check my trade copier as well. Number 8. I think it still has the chance that it wants to go lower. Yours doesn't do that. What about long and short rectangles for visuals? There is something, a tool like that. It's called, no, price targets. There is a tool. It's called price targets. So for example, you put it here, And that's what you can use in Quant Tower, similar to TradingView as price targets. If you double click on it, you can change the direction long or short. For example, now I changed it to short. Displays the risk to reward ratio as well, so that's pretty cool. That's a very useful tool. You can change the area colors, the background, all that stuff, you know. So it's called price targets on the left. I don't know if you can see it. Looks something like this. Hey, good morning, Farhad. What's happening? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. I think we're just going down to 47. It looks heavy. I don't have any confirmation, so I'm not jumping in. Paul is here. Good evening. And if I have lines horizontal or vertical, can I have text type? Yeah, sure you can. For example, if you put a line like a... Oh, wow. Just a second. Let me see if there is going to be a structure shift or not. Anyway, we can do it here as well. So if you have a horizontal line, you double click on it and you can type in the text here. You can change where you want to put it. Top center, middle right. You want to change the size, what type, you can change everything basically. Or no background, you see? So basically anything. Only just custom text. So basically everything you can change with it. And if you want, you can, you know, extend the line to the left as left array. So Quant Tower is absolutely good. I think the chart is absolutely good. All right, what is happening? Liquidity sweep, I think, guys. Could be a liquidity sweep. Trend line. Can I? Yeah, sure. Absolutely, you can. Sam, Option FX. Hey there. You can use. Where is the trend line? Trend line is, for example, this one. And there should be. Is there no text? Hold on. Maybe I was wrong. Text, label colors. No, I was wrong. Uh-oh, I was wrong about this. You cannot place a text on the trend line. It seems like it. Yeah. No custom text on the trend line. Maybe you can place a custom label somewhere. If there's such a thing. You just place the text. Right? In this case, you can place a custom text window or box. Seems like the Friday PM session low is setting in some support here. So it's definitely similar to, yeah, very, very similar. Absolutely. I feel like we're not finished with the 547 level yet. I think so. Yeah, the magnet snap function. I'm not sure how to check on that yet. I don't know. Sim account. Yeah, you need to practice a little bit. Absolutely. I feel like the down movement is not finished yet. We could see 547 super easy 47, 57. So if it makes a displacement to the downside again, if you want to be an aggressive, if you want to jump into an aggressive short here, then you can try to do this area, but I would say risk to reward wise, well, I don't know. Definitely risky to jump in. It is risky to jump in. There was a sweep, which is good. Although I could jump in. I can't. Maybe with this one. Should I jump into a short? It's tempting, to be honest. All right, I jumped into a short. A little bit tempting. I couldn't resist. You know how it is. I just couldn't resist. 48. The risk to reward is not good, that's for sure. The risk to reward is absolutely not good on this one. All right. So I'm gonna lower my risk. If it trades below 65, I'm just gonna lower my risk because this is not a good risk to reward ratio. All right, I'm lowering my risk. It just spiked down. Hopefully it's not just a liquidity sweep, but it will go lower to that 47-ish area. But, you know, I lowered the risk. Yeah. Yeah, long positions could be stalled. But I thought that we're gonna drop super fast. And now it's just coming back. Wait for confirmation. Let's wait for setup. Actually, there was a minor confirmation both on the 1 minute here, and also on the 5 minutes. So we did sweep some liquidity from this fair value gap, and the draw on liquidity, if the draw on liquidity is still down there, then it's actually fine. But unfortunately, it seems like, well, it was looking good for a moment. So we had the liquidity sweep, displacement, first displacement, fair value gap, liquidity sweep. Draw on liquidity is still good down there. It's not an A+ setup, so it's absolutely not an A+ setup. Very tight stop on this one. If it trades above this swing high, then, you know, obviously it's not my trade. But it's fine. It's cool. It was dropping so nicely below these levels that I thought that, okay, this is just going to waterfall down to the 50s. But it didn't. It didn't. I took a long ride before you shorted. Ended up 15 points. That's good. Let's go, Paul. Let's go. Let's go. Obviously my entry is absolutely not good, but I'm glad that it formed this swing high, because if it trades above, then I just don't want to be in this short anyway. So If it takes me out, it's fine. Hopefully I'm going to be still in a slight profit for the day. Yeah. Looks like it might want to sweep some more liquidity. If we look at the 1 minute, let's go back to trading view. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna get taken out here. There is a bearish order block up there at 93. So yeah, it is what it is. Shorts are not in favor, especially down in discount levels. I'm gonna get taken out from this. Have no fear. The next trade is here. Hey, how much short-term figure after discount? Well, the sale is over, I think. So the 250K account is, I don't even know how much, to be honest. They have a 71% sale right now, which means $517. $517 times, that should be $149, $150 with the discount on the 250K account. That should be $150 on the rhythmic connection. The 250 last month, they actually they had the sale on until the 15th or something for $40, but right now it's back to 150. Just had to update, re-download my Quant Tower. Oh yeah, guys, if you have Quant Tower, make sure to update. They have some update over the weekend, so I had to update mine as well. You always gotta make sure that it's working correctly, right? I have an issue with the MyFundedFutures rhythmic connection this morning. It didn't want to, it did not put on the trade. So there is some kind of an issue with the rhythmic. I already disconnected and reconnected. So, all right, I'm trying to reconnect. And I don't know why. Good morning, Sadar. Good to see you. It did touch 563. That's true. That's true. What's at 563? Yeah, the bottom of the candle, almost there. Yeah, let's see what it does. FTT was having rhythmic issues. Oh, in Asia, it could be, okay, so it could be a rhythmic problem again. MyFundedFutures this morning is having rhythmic issues, although you cannot purchase rhythmic accounts anymore, but I'm still left over with a few rhythmic evaluation accounts that I didn't cancel, so I still have those. And this morning there was some, I mean, it's still on. It's just not showing the correct balance, and I don't know what's going on. I think it's gonna take me out right here. This might be needing some more liquidity sweep up there, or maybe a nice displacement to the upside. Could be happening. Could be happening. All right. All right. All right. Let's see if it wants to take that level or not. By the way, the 90% sale at Bulenox is ending today. And since Apex didn't do a bigger sale yet, I think that so far really Bulenox is going to temporarily stop with the 90%, maybe until the end of the month. After the 90%, it's most likely going to be back to 75% or 83%. So today is the last day to grab your 90% with Bulenox. Just saying. I would not be surprised if they would do it again, but they might going to wait until next month. They were doing it since quite a lot, and they're pretty much competing with Apex. And since Apex is not doing it, I don't think that Bulenox is going to extend it until a few more days or end of the month or whatever. How do I enter my Rhythmic info to Quant Tower? I logged in. You cannot enter your Rhythmic. You have to download Rhythmic Trader Pro, and you can enter all your, you can view all your details in your Rhythmic Trader Pro. In Quant Tower, what you can do, I can actually show you. Here is the one account of mine. This is MyFundedFutures. You see, that's the problem right now. This is an evaluation account. Sorry, not this one. This one. So this is the evaluation account, and it shows 0 balance. But I know this is an active account, and that's why it has some issues. So if you push the account tab at the top, that's where it's going to show you the stuff. But for example, on my Apex account, this is an event. It shows the balance. You see? So that's why I don't know what is happening with MyFundedFutures currently. But this is where you see your account info. I don't want to go lower because I have my personal details down there. But you can check your personal details lower at the account tab. Otherwise, you most likely have to log in there. Yeah, so it's okay. So it seems like they might be having some technical issue at MyFundedFutures with the Rhythmic, and I couldn't even place a trade on the MyFundedFutures account. So so that's it, I guess. I wanted to take place a trade, but I just couldn't. It says it said something like risk management is not available or something. I don't know. Was a little bit interesting. Okay, so this one might spike higher and sweep some more liquidity, which is fine. Then obviously the only thing I could do is wait. And that's it. Shouldn't be a huge loss. And because this is Monday, you know, guys, my rule is I don't trade the funded accounts on Monday London session. I don't do that. I rarely do that. So Monday London session, 100% not touching my funded accounts. And also on Friday, I'm not trading my funded accounts. This is my personal perspective. I'm working on my evaluations at this time. My balance also doesn't show as well on Quant Tower. Yeah, so it shows on Rhythmic. Orders still rejecting an account on Rhythmic. Okay, so there should be some kind of a issue at MyFundedFutures end of the server. I don't know. I feel like this is going to spike higher and sweep some more liquidity before it goes down. Just saying. So we'll see. Yeah, it seems like it's gonna sweep some more liquidity up there at the 80s, which is fine. London Open is about 24 minutes away. Yeah, I got taken out. So it's about 24 minutes away, and it could be a reversal. You know, we built up some congestion area down here, and it could be continuing higher. Look at this. This was actually a sweep. I mean, sorry, a market structure shift. Yeah, could be. Could be. This could be it. On the micro, there is an unbalanced price from 76 down to 74, 70, yeah. 76, yeah, down here on the micro. You can see it here. This area. Unbalanced price range. Could go down there after the candle close. If it wants to go, of course. A little bit tempted to jump in there, to be honest. I put on a limit buy. You know, trading a little bit aggressive on this one. A limit buy order. A Bulenox evaluation, and I want to use Quant Tower. How I do it? You can log into Quant Tower and you go to your connections tab, for example, here, and you add a connection. For example, you choose Rhythmic, and you just push the plus sign here, like this, and you just put in your username, password, and you choose Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago and connect. That's it. But first you have to download Rhythmic Trader Pro and accept the user agreement. You can only do it with the Rhythmic Trader Pro. Okay? That's what you have to do. But it's very simple. That's it. That's how simple it is to connect. I got taken into the position with 1 micro, by the way. Just saying. I'm in with 1 micro. I wanted to enter with 3 micros, but it picked up 1 micro. Let me show you. You see? Or 4, sorry. I wanted to get in with 4. It picked up 1. It filled 1 micro here. Anyway. I have no take profit or stop loss yet. Yeah, this one created a nice area here. And I got only filled with 1 micro here. Interesting. But what can I do? 1 micro is 1 micro, right? For the stream. I'm gonna leave it for now. Yeah, there she goes. Or not. Who knows? You know, risk to reward wise, should be like up there. And so that's good. Up at the 90s if it wants to go, but I'm still not tagged in. One micro is gonna change the world. Look at that, man. I feel like it's not done yet down there, but small liquidity void on the mini right here. Should be repricing it, maybe. But it's pushing. I have no stop loss or take profit yet. There you go. Pushing it. All right. This position is nothing. It's nothing serious. All right. Only with 1 micro. It's not a serious position. Putting it to break even. That's it. Yeah. It's at break even now. It didn't fill me with the full all the contracts. I could have made like an extra $100. Sorry, 150-ish bucks. But instead, I'm gonna end up with like 35 bucks. If I can make it up there. One more fair value gap up here. I don't want to add more. There's a liquidity void down there, and that's why I just don't want to add more. It can also just, you know, reprice lower. So I'm not going to add more to this. This is just for fun. Didn't feel me completely there. I just want to see if this one really wants to go and maybe sweep this order block. It's not a perfect order block, to be honest, but it did shift structure. It did push into liquidity. The body of the candle is at 95-ish area, so could be sweeping it. Let's check the 5-minute. There are some good levels on the 5-minute, by the way. Look at this area. If we want to go long, there are some very, very, very juicy levels up here. I like that area. It's very good. Also, this candle here, flat top. Sorry, not that one. This bearish candle has no top wick. I do like that too. I like that area. I like the Sunday high, which is Asia high. So it's very, very good targets to the upside, to be honest. So I like that. I really like that. Now it's coming down. And this is exactly why I don't want to add, because there is a void here. Look at that. Multiple liquidity voids. Here and here. This one. It should be repricing it because it's so close and there's nothing else. There you go. Should be repricing it completely. Exactly. Maybe another long entry, possible long entry here. But the problem is we also have an unbalanced price range below 76. So it would be risky to add here to the position. So I'm not going to do that. Look at this down there. I'm going to show you this area. That's also an unbalanced price range. That's why I don't really want to add to this position anything. High probability that this is going to take me out at break even. Holy Grail, hello. Target 688. That's a nice target there. Joey, good to see you. That's a good target. It absolutely has a chance to go there. But first, if you guys look at the 5-minute chart and you look to the left, look at this candle here. There is a fair value gap on the 5-minute. There is one wick down there to 547. It might want to go down there, sweep some more liquidity, and then take off. I'm not adding more to this position. It only filled me with 1 micro. I had 4 micros. If someone just jumps into the stream now. I'm trying to explain myself. I did not intentionally wanted to take this with 1 micro. It filled me right there with 1 micro instead, sorry, here, instead of 4 micros. But I think it's better like this. Ah, look at that. Yeah. So it goes down. It's going to reprice this area. And now I'm just not trusting this long position anymore. It should spike lower below 76. We still have those targets. Let me go down to the 1 minute. Look at this. Quite interesting. It's difficult to make a decision now because what is the draw on liquidity? Is it want to take out the fair value gap, or is it want to go down and sweep this area? Let me know what you guys think, because right now this is a huge decision point. Yo, Rob, hey there. New week, good luck. Thank you, and good luck to you, Rob, as well. I wish you all the profits in the world. Let's all have a good week. I'm not on vacation anymore, so everything is back on schedule. I'm here every day. Let's try to peel some profits off the markets. And by the way, I'm super happy we're getting closer to 3,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support, guys. We're gonna do another giveaway soon, so it's gonna be awesome. It is gonna be awesome. Make sure to stay tuned, and if you can, please help out the stream by pushing the like button. Please hit that like button, and you know, let's push the stream. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe, because as I said, giveaways are coming, so stay tuned. Let's sniper some profits. Exactly, Steam. Good to see you, man. So I'm a little bit concerned about this long. I just don't like this long position right here. Somehow I feel like this one still wants to go down I mean, London is not open yet, obviously, so we still have time until London. 10 minutes, yeah, like 10 minutes. Anything can happen here. Look at that. Seems like if I want to take an aggressive short, this might be the opportunity. All right, I took a short. Maybe I shouldn't have. Absolutely terrible entry. I want to see this go down. I want to see this go down to 51. Let me show you guys. Was based on the mini because it shifted lower, and this was an aggressive short entry. And you know, I'm willing to risk about, well, some of my profits. Kind of using that liquidity void, unbalanced price range as kind of like a resistance area. And you know, if it would drop lower to the 60s, I might even lower my risk as well. Obviously, if it trades into the 80s up there, it could go and you know, start to take out that order block, but we'll see. Morning, Komodo. Normally it takes Bulenox how long to send me the funded account? In about 2 business days, normally about two business days, Komodo. They're not so fast, unfortunately, because they do it manually. I used your code for another bill. Oh, thank you so much, Rob. Thank you for the support, and you passed. All right. Nice. Thank you, Rob. You're awesome. Thank you for the support. Yeah, Jay's codes are good too. Mine too. Thank you. According to the prop from streets. All right. Thank you, man. Yeah, so once it took me 3 days with Bulenox to have my funded account. It took 3 business days for me at once. Usually it was about 2 business days. In Rhythmic, do you agree to be a professional? Non-professional. You're a non-professional. Sorry, Dan. You have to agree. You're not. If you're trading as an LLC, then I think you have to press professional. But as an individual, you have to go with non-professional. Yeah, there you go. Vivian, good morning. Yeah, we had a nice weekend. Good to see you. Hope you had one too. A great one. Yeah, we went out to the beach once more on Friday and on Saturday too, to be honest. And had a real good time. The weather was good. Swimming and eating some good food. so yeah. It was a good day at the beach. London Open can be tricky. It could take me out from this. So gotta be careful, guys. Trying to look for directions on the 5-minute. I don't know. The 5-minute looks tricky. It's a bearish order block, and it seems like, you know, it could turn into a bullish scenario here. Super easy. So if it displaces higher, I don't know. The way that the 5-minute looks like, it's pretty dangerous. It seems like it might want to change direction and go above 97 into the 600s again. But there was such a nice area down there to sweep some more liquidity. So if it trades below 63, I'm gonna put this to break even maybe, or something. I don't know, but maybe I was a little bit too aggressive, but it's fine. Oh yeah, we went to the lake again. It's a nice place, you know. Good morning, J-Man. Halfway there. It was lovely, nice. Oh hey, you're absolutely welcome, Vivian. You were a winner, and that's it. I have a budget for the giveaways, of course, for the stream, you know. I have a budget and I try to do more. Everything is calculated, so we're gonna do more giveaways in the future, so make sure to stay tuned, and giveaways are coming. Can you post on Tom's Discord? Oh, I don't know if Rob is there. I'm not sure. Are you there, Rob? I don't know. Motivation. For payout, I can actually post the payout later on Discord if you want to, Komodo. I had payout from Bulenox. Yeah, it's a nice place. We like that actually. But the thing is that, you know, previously we stayed in a different hotel, and now we selected another hotel. So not at the same hotel right now. I'm sorry if I pronounce it like super crazy, but hotel. We say it hotel. Yeah. So it was a different hotel this time. It's a huge lake, you know, Lake Balaton. If you search for it, it's the biggest lake in Hungary, Lake Balaton. So there's different areas around the place, and we do like it. And it's not too far from our place, so we can drive there technically almost any time if we want to. It was a nice little vacation. Nice. Oh, look at this. Now it just wants to turn. We have London Open in less than 2 minutes. 1 minute 20 seconds, I think so. Something like that. We're going to have funded, then cup trade both. Yeah, let's go, Rob. Tom has had payouts with yeah, I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna post the payout. It was actually, by the way, they're paying out every Wednesday. Bulenox has weekly payouts, but you cannot do the weekly payouts because there's a 10 minimum trading days. So best you can do is bi-weekly payouts, which is also good. But they did pay out on Wednesday. It was already on my account in the London session. Wednesday London session, the money was already on my account. So they were fast, actually. The technical reason is, well, let me just say it's not the A+ trade. The only technical reason for me is this area on Friday. This is there's a swing low on the 5 minutes. So this is the 5 minute chart, and there was a fair value gap here at Friday 11:35 pre-launch hour. Fair value gap. This candle wicked down, swept some liquidity, and you know, we still have this fair value gap. By the way, London opened, and I thought that, you know, this was kind of displacing lower and lower. It might want to reach for that level and try to reprice it once more or sweep the liquidity. Otherwise, I am super bullish for the day, and this is why it's a risky trade, because obviously we're in daily discount and we took out the PM session low, as you see, at 572. So it's risky. It's risky. I might going to give back these small profits, but if it goes up there again, it should be taking out the 97 level up there, 97. And look at all these targets on the 5 minutes. So this is the 5 minute. Beautiful flat candle here. I like that area at the midnight open. Also Asia high. We have a lot of good targets on the long side too. And this is why entering a short position here after taking out the PM session low and we swept everything here is a lower probability trade. So, and it looks like it might gonna take me out. So let's see if London wants to do anything crazy. Let's see if London wants to do anything crazy. I feel like maybe, including myself, a lot of people really wants to take some long positions, and yeah, there you go. And London might, at least I was hoping that it might push it lower a little bit down to the 50s to sweep some more liquidity. But the thing is, I don't really want to risk more on this trade, so I'm not going to move my stop, I think. Hopefully this was just a liquidity sweep. It can still go up there to the 80s. But even if I would take a long position here, which I obviously can do, I like to see a nice displacement. Now if you look at the 1 minute, let's zoom out the one. Okay, almost taken out. Then this was a strong move. I'm still in this, but I think I'm gonna get taken out here. So I might even change my mind and take a long position. No. I'm almost taken out from this position anyways. 2 points and I'm out. You see, 2 points. I'm almost out from this trade. Ciao Tang, hey, good to see you. What's happening? So there's a 1 minute long entry here. Kind of makes this a little bit difficult, but I'm gonna stay with this trade for now. Roberta's, hey, there's equal low. Yeah, kinda. I'm still, you know, I'd like to see this as a trick and then go lower to take that sell side liquidity, but it doesn't really look like that it's gonna happen. But it's fine. It's fine. It should be pushing higher now. Yeah. Almost out. You know, it all determines on where is the draw on liquidity. Where is that draw on liquidity? 562. Let's check it. Sorta. Maybe on the micro. Yeah, on the micro it looks better, but yeah. You can have, Komodo, you can have up to 10 funded accounts, I think, or 11. But you can start with 3. So if any one of those funded accounts gets over the safety threshold, you can add 1 more. So you can keep making evaluation accounts or passing evaluation accounts. And if you pass more and more, you can activate them, and they're going to put that into dormant. It's going to say pending. And as soon as one of your accounts gets above the safety threshold, they're going to activate it for you. So up to 10 or 11 funded accounts, I think, with Bulenox. I think it's 10, not sure. That's the max. But you start with 3. Come on, take me out from this misery here. And let's move on. Also, if I put a trend line, I don't use trend lines, but look at this. I mean, these higher lows, you know, coming in here, it just feels like price might want to break these higher lows, but I don't know. Wow. I'm still in this trade. I don't know how I'm still in this. Missed my stop with 1 tick. 1 single tick. Happened before, but no confirmation. I reported Discord. Oh, I'm gonna check it out. Thanks. Good idea. Good idea. Yeah, it's still the same. I'm gonna disconnect, and I'm gonna reconnect and see what happens. It shows the same on it showed the same on Quant Tower. No balance, but hopefully they will do something about it. There you go. So I'm out from this trade, and now I just don't know what to look for. Kind of a tricky situation here. I still have a buy side up there. 615. I don't know. I'm gonna wait. If it makes another displacement down, I might jump in. The thing is, we have a order block here. Sorry, here. So it might want to go through at 97. Yeah, looks like it. Who knows? Yeah, so the MyFundedFutures account is the same. It's not working. I'll go a little short, maybe 500 before go up, maybe. Who knows? A lot of shakeout. Yeah, it is. It should be taking out 97. Any other rules I should be aware on the funded account? With Bulenox, there is nothing else. The only thing is the consistency. Yeah, you can trade the news, you can DCA, you can do whatever you want on the funded account. As of now, there is no restrictions that we know of on the funded account. The consistency rule is the one that you have to go with. So have to be aware of that. So consistency rule. You can do anything else. Yes, for Bulenox, yes, Dan. Until now, we don't know any special set of rules. No questions asked so far from Bulenox. On the funded accounts, you can pretty much do everything you want. News trading, inconsistent contract sizing, DCAing the hell out of your account. You can do whatever, micro scalping, algorithmic scalping, bracket orders, whatever you can imagine in your imagination in trading futures, you can do on the funded account with Bulenox. There is only one rule, is the consistency rule, which is I think 40%. That's it. 40%. No go area. Yeah. So the only limit is your imagination with Bulenox funded account. I mean, the only limit is the consistency rule. Other than that, you can do everything. At least until now. Good morning, Zakti. Good to see you. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. How was your weekend? Is it advisable to remove the old Rhythmic Trader Pro to update and re-download? You can re-download it. It's nothing special. You only needed that to accept the license agreement. So you can uninstall it and reinstall it if you want to. For example, over the last week on vacation, I logged in only with Quant Tower. On my laptop, it was a different laptop, and I didn't even have my Rhythmic Pro downloaded, so you can do it. They give you a deal with their partners. I don't know anyone who has been called to live account on Bulenox. I don't know anybody yet. But basically, the futures prop firms, sooner or later, if you're a good trader, are going to call you onto a live account. Obviously, it's better for them that you're gonna get paid out from the live market and not from their own pockets. But so far, I don't know anyone who has been called up to a live account with Bulenox. Maybe there is, but I don't know who. Good morning, Peter. Well, what's happening, Peter? Peter, good to see you. So look at this, guys. We're pretty much just, I mean, if you go to the 5-minute and you look at the kill zone from 2 a.m., we're pretty much just, you know, ranging. And that's why I got myself chopped up here. I had some nice moves, but I got myself chopped up this morning. Yannick's, hey. There is a Rhythmic at Phidias prop firm. There is a Rhythmic problem at MyFundedFutures this morning as well. Also with fast track trading, someone reported that. I haven't checked it yet, but I'm guessing they should be fixing the issue soon, hopefully. So, yeah. Look at this, guys. I think it wants to take out that 97. It's hard to say. Where is the draw on liquidity? Could be that 615 area. I don't know. Precision funding. Oh, so it's not the prop firm. That could be something on Rhythmic Traders and yeah, Rhythmic server issues. Never happened before. Wink. So if a person is that good, do they get a partner to give you maybe an account or $2 million? $2 million? I don't know. I don't think they're gonna give you $2 million. No. If you're very good, for example, I can only talk what MyFundedFutures said or TopStep said. So if you're very, very good and they call you to a live account, what TopStep does is TopStep is going to take all your profits from your XFA account and they're going to put it to a live account. So basically, if you have, for example, $15,000 on your XFA account or $30,000, whatever, let's just say $30,000, what they are going to do is open up a real live account with cash on one of their partners. And it's going to be a real live cash account, but it's not going to be $2 million or whatever. Your drawdown is going to be that profit that they are placing onto that account. It's going to be technically a real live account, and that's it. At MyFundedFutures, I think on a 50K account, you have to make, I think on the starter accounts, you have to withdraw $6,000 in profits, and then they're going to open up a live account with, I think, $2,500 or something, $2,500 cash drawdown. So they're not going to give you $2 million or $100,000. They're going to give you the same exact account, but it's going to be a live account, and you cannot withdraw the capital, the funds, I think. Basically, if they call someone up to a live account, they are getting rid of risk. I know it's a little bit crazy to say, but if you're making good profits, you're a risk. You are a risk to the prop firm, any prop firm. So we don't have to be specific, because these funded accounts are simulated accounts. They are not real money, not real funds. So if you're making good money on the simulated funded accounts, then you're obviously hurting their pockets, because they have to pay you out from their own pockets. So you are a risk to the company. So they do want to call you to live account as soon as they see that you're good. It's their intention to put you onto a live account, because they don't want to pay you more than they have to. So the market is going to pay you. So even though it's a good thing, by the way, because you get the leverage, for a prop firm, putting a good trader to a live account is actually risk off. They're getting rid of their risk. But it's a good thing. It's a win-win situation to everybody. The prop firm wins because they don't have to pay you out from their own profits. And you also win because there's no more rules, basically. You can trade however you want on the live account. No more rules, which is a good thing. So everybody wins at the end, if you're good. But to be honest, I don't think that they're copy trade anyone. That's my personal opinion. I don't think that these prop firms are copy trading anybody. Yeah, thanks, Paul. I mean, that's the simplest way to put it. If you're a good trader, you are a risk. So it's their intention to put everybody who's good into a live account. They don't have to pay you anymore. If you blow the account, it's your problem. It's not their problem. It's your issue. They don't care about that anymore. Trades by Slate. Good morning. Good to see you. What's happening? Look at this, guys. We're just ranging. We are just ranging here. Have to wait for the market to decide what to do. I still feel like there is some unfinished business down there at 547, but who knows? There are some juicy targets on the downside too. And don't forget, guys, Bulenox 90% sale ends today. Who knows for how long? I think as long as Apex is not coming on with a better sale, Bulenox is not going to follow. So the 90% ends tonight at the end of, I mean, tonight, 11:59 Eastern Standard Time PM. So, you know, just don't sleep on it. If you want to grab some good accounts. Obviously, the cheapest upfront cost is with Bulenox. There's no doubt about that. But the overall cheapest account, which my favorite, is with MyFundedFutures. $76 with the discount and no activation fee. It's built in the price. No activation fee. FTT also having some rhythmic issue. Yeah, everybody has rhythmic issues. I see some messages now, and it seems like it's all over the board. You know what, Tom? I need to follow your advice on funded account and ignore my greediness. You have to take it slow, I think. You know, just take it smaller, take it slower. You know, especially on a funded account, and it will be fine. I think it wants to take out the 71 here. Oh, yeah. Dude, I so want to jump into this short, guys. I so want to jump in this trade. Guys, it took out, okay. It swept liquidity. No, it didn't. Did it? Almost. I so want to jump in this. I really want to jump into this trade. To a short. Maybe I'm a little bit too aggressive here. I don't know. All right, I don't care. I jumped in. Jumped into a short. It might go into reprice higher, which is fine. I want to take it down to 51. And I'm gonna lower my risk as much as I can. Let me show you. It's a super risky trade, guys. Absolutely super risky. If it trades below 62, I might lower my risk. Damn it, it traded below there. Just waterfall. Just go down. Come on. Just take out that 50. Don't go up there now. Don't go up there. Actually, the final target would be down at 74, but I'm happy with 51. Oh, come on, man. Should I leave some more space to the trade? Okay, I'm gonna leave some more space for this one. I'm gonna, yeah, it's fine. This risk is still good. Super aggressive short. It's not a nice catch. It's absolutely not a nice catch, but oh man, it's just coming back after me. I can't move my stop. I don't want to risk more. Maybe, well, I can because it's just 70 bucks. So I actually can. If I put it back to my original stop loss, I can, because the risk to reward is still good. 76.62. It's about 120 bucks, so it's fine. Okay, it's within my risk tolerance here. Okay, repricing the 1 minute. Such a terrible trade. Terrible risk management on my end. I can't put more risk to this. If it takes me out, it takes me out, and that's it. Look at this liquidity sweep, man. It's gonna go up there. Well, I tried. Yeah. I tried. I can't put my stop higher. What a crazy move. No way. No way, man. No way. Aggressive. I don't know what the hell. This was a nice liquidity sweep. Took me out to the tick, by the way. To the tick. Quick in and out, yeah. I might jump in once more. I'm still thinking that this was a liquidity sweep. There is an unbalanced price down there with the liquidity void. All right, I jump back in, and that's it. I cannot risk more. It's going back there. I wanted to see this go down to 73 with an aggressive short. Oh, the balance looks awful right now. Back below 52. Yeah. Now I cannot put a trade on this one. After this. I really wanted to see that level down there. Actually, my final TP would be still down at 51-ish. But I just can't. Look at this mother tucker. Still going higher. If it goes higher, it should be breaking the 98 level. Pretty obvious, I think. Yeah, that's it. All right, that's it. Terrible. Terrible. Terrible entry. Oops. Too aggressive. I tried to go too aggressive for that short. I try fast track. Let's go. Yeah, 20%. I mean, 20% consistency should be fine. It should not be an issue. Bulenox is 40%. Yeah, fast track trading is 20. So we should be going above the 97 here. The thing is, we still have some good targets up there. Let's check the 5-minute. This is a bearish order block. I do like that 615 area. If it would reprice. It's a little bit too aggressive. It's a little bit too aggressive, but let me try something. I'm just gonna 88. All right. Jumped into a long. 1375. I need to lower the risk. Well, this account suffered enough, so I'm gonna move to another account after this. If it takes out the 98, I'm gonna move my stop. That's all I can do. That is very important to let candle close before take and trade. Yeah, that's important. Absolutely. Yeah, they swiped the lows. But you know, we had this level, and that's why I got married to the idea at 547 down there. And I thought that they still want to take that. If you look at the 5-minute, the 547 level was pretty juicy to be swept, but it seems like that could be enough for price right now. But there's a 1-minute order block here, so should be trading above 97 after this. Quite interesting, to be honest. But we did have the liquidity sweep. That's true. That is true. And we have buy side as 1-minute bearish order block high, which is not that significant, so I'm just gonna put it like this. The problem is that we still have liquidity void down there on the mini. So we'll see. And I need to trade more with my take profit trader. I need to take some trades on take profit trader too. I need to build that account. Because obviously the best payout system is with take profit trader. And it would be awesome to have daily payouts, because they do have daily payouts. Fastest in the prop firm space. London Open, fake shift to the upside, then take equal. Yeah, it's obviously squeezed some shorts, including me, but the question remains, is it finished with the move, or still wants to go down for 547? Nobody knows. No, I'm not funded. I'm just a few $100. I think like $340. So I'm basically very slow with Take Profit Trader. I think I'm gonna dedicate a lot more time to my Take Profit Trader accounts, because that is a great opportunity to have for the daily payouts. Something going on with Rhythmic. Yeah, something. There's a Rhythmic issue across multiple prop firms right now. So yeah, it's not placing orders through Quant Tower. So it's the issue is everywhere, basically. Well, not everywhere, but I couldn't place a trade on the MyFundedFutures account this morning, and Fast Track Trading also not working. Some other prop firms are reporting as well. It's not working on their end too, so it has to be a Rhythmic server issue. Yeah, they're a little bit hangover. And of course we have the equities open in 23 minutes. That should give us some push. Yes, Serdar. I am affiliated with Fast Track, just as everybody basically. Everybody who registers with Fast Track Trading has an affiliate link. But if you would like to support the stream, anybody with the Fast Track, if you purchase any accounts with them, you can give some credit to the channel by clicking my link before you purchase. That gives some commission to the stream. Also, the codes are down below the description. If there's a FTT_30, which is a 30% discount. And there is one more, the B5 Go. It's also down there in the description. Buy 5, get 1 for free. So for example, if you buy 25K accounts, you get 1 for free, which means you can get a 25K funded account for $105, I think, which is a good deal. So buy 5, get 1 for free. For once, Apex into yeah, it's a special occasion that Apex is not having issues yet with their Rhythmic connection. Look at this, guys. It's just weird right now. By the way, the whole price action is weird. I'm checking the 5-minute charts on my left here. We're pretty much ranging, swept some liquidity, yes, with this move. But question still remains, is it want to go higher? I don't know. Cosmo, come on. Can I use my own affiliate code when I buy? Everybody has the same code, so nobody has a specific code. Everybody has the FTT_30 and the B5 Go. So, so I guess you can't because no special codes. I mean, there are unique codes for some big streamers, I think. I think Fast Track Trading said that if someone is an influencer or streamer, one would have to make $5,000 of sales or above to get us a unique code. But for now, I mean, nobody has that. I mean, maybe someone had it. David, good morning. Nickel high is in 5 minutes. Yeah. On the 5 minute. Yeah, so for now they have the same thing like TopStep has, basically a referral link, and that's it. That is it for now. Look at this. Absolutely crazy price action. Absolutely crazy. I don't really trust this. I don't really like this action at all. I mean, it would be so easy to get above 98 at least. But the problem is, you know what? I'm gonna put a sell limit to take partials if we get above there, and at least try to get some of the losses back from earlier. If it would spike above the order block, that would be great. Online safety, good morning. Good to see you. Good to see you. All right. At least I took some partials. It's most likely gonna take me out anyways. But need to get some of the losses back. I have to go out to the bathroom. I'll be right back. I have to drink something too. So please push the like button, subscribe. I'll be right back in a few minutes, 2 minutes. All right, don't go anywhere. Let's see how this goes. All right, be right back. Sorry guys, I'm here. So what happened? Did we win something or what? Oh, it took me out. All right. Damn it. All right. WeWap is up. It actually went to yeah, it went up to 607 quite nicely. Connected, that's all right. So what is happening here? Is it gonna go lower? Is it going to go down for that 547 level? I'm wondering, because if you look at the 5-minute chart here, it's almost like it wants to close below the 85s. If it closes below 85, that would be quite interesting. Look at that. That would mean that we are going lower, you know. If I want to be super aggressive, I could take a short again to target that level. All right, 8 seconds. It didn't actually close below. Not even on the micro. But it still shifted structure. So that's interesting. I took a short. Aggressive entry. And might going to add one more micro to this. Let's see. Final TP would be 51 for me. This is the trade. I don't have a stop loss yet. Partial maybe at 73. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna put it to break even at 73. So far, I'm gonna put this here. And what's the low of this candle? 73.50. Yeah, if we get below there, I might consider to put it on break even. Maybe I should take partials. I don't know. I don't know. All right, damn it. I'm gonna take partials. I'm gonna take partials there. I'm gonna modify this if it gets down there. Final TP would be down. Then the final TP, I would put it to 48. Obviously low probability, but you know, that would be fun. John D is here. Hey, and Bob is here. What's up? Moodmoon, hey, maybe wait for hourly close. Yeah, I know we're getting liquidity at the hourly close. Breezy Music Club says no. 604. Here we opening gap low. Yeah. New week opening gap low here. So now it has repriced it. So the optimal entry would be at 87 right now. Obviously there was a level here. Going for 60. Well, let's see. You went long from 580 inversion. Let's see. Let's see, Big G. Let's see. Yeah. NQ has a big drop today, but you still have to time it. Yeah, that's true. Have some juicy targets on the upside as well. So wouldn't be surprised if this would just shoot up there. This should be our task. Oh, earnings agenda. And another economic data coming out. Yeah. By the way, less than 1 minute and 30 seconds. Bounce out the order block. We'll see. Now it's not looking too good. I mean, I'm looking at the there's a 5-minute order block right here at 589. Starts at 589. Maybe it can push it lower. Well, technically we are already inside the order block, but just wanted to see it sweep that 48 level. That's it. I might even add to the trade. Wave is there. Breezy Music Club says bye. Bond auctions. Oh, we have the volume kicking in right now. Not looking good. Actually, yields the dropping markets and a bit vice versa. Oh yeah, I see, John. Those things move the markets a bit in a week. Yeah. Yeah. True. Oh yeah, FOMC guys on Wednesday. Don't forget it. That's gonna be interesting. That FOMC is gonna be interesting. I'm in a mini, man. Wish that upon me. Martin, what's going on? Don't cry. But hey, good luck, good luck. Careful with the minis. Oh, I think I butchered myself, by the way, enough on this account. So I'm not copy trading this one or anything. And, you know, it's pretty much ranging. Oh, look at this. It's not holding. Well, I think it's time to close. Well, I don't have to close. It's going to close itself. But yeah. I don't know. I don't know if this order block is going to be enough to push it. I mean, lower. But if you guys check on the 5-minute, there is a bearish order block, but I don't know. 608. Yeah, that's obviously a very strong target up there. There is a liquidity void at 73.50, and that's why I thought I want to take some partials down there. Someone said they got their Bulenox account the same day. Oh, okay. For me, it's usually 2 business days. So when I request activation, it usually took me 2 business days. Once I remember it was 3 business days because I requested it on Friday. I didn't get it on Monday. I got it on Tuesday. I remember specifically that was on a Friday. But anyway. Anyway. Let's see where it goes. Maybe I'm gonna just put this to 50. If it goes lower, and that's it. $50.50, so 50-50. 60.50. Here it comes. Oh yeah. Yeah, should be taking it. The problem is I'm still in a drawdown after this, but I'm still gonna be in a drawdown after this, but what can I do? Oh man, look at this. It didn't go for it. 47 would be the low of that spike. If you check on the 5-minute, it would be 47.50, I think. Oh no, 47. It's a 47. So yeah, so it looks good, but unfortunately I messed everything up this morning, so I'm still gonna be, if it takes this take profit, I'm still gonna be in drawdown. But we'll see. At least it's a free trade. There you go. It's still not over yet, but I took partials. You know what I can do? I can wait. All right. Took off one there manually and left one. There you go. And there's 47. So yeah, that's what I was talking about, this level all morning. And I still didn't follow my plan. But anyway, what can I do? At least it took out this liquidity. Now who knows what's gonna happen. I'm still in drawdown, but at least I got back some of the losses. Glad yours was paper trade. All right. At least I still got some of the losses back. Martin, you blew up the account? Oh. That sucks. I'm sorry to hear that, Martin. Come on. Next take profit is 500. I don't know about the 500, but let's check out the 500. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Look at this level, guys. Wow. So juicy. I like this. If we go back to the 16th of August, which is last Friday. Almost relative equal lows. On the 15-minute. Sorry. 495. So we have the whole number of 500 right here. Could be a good one. I'm not jumping into a short, but looks like a good one. It definitely looks like a good one. I would be looking for long positions. You passed 50k Bulenox evaluation. Keep gambling. Took short. Hey, Serdar, congratulations on passing the account. You know what? You deserve an applause. Congratulations, Serdar. Yeah, Holy Grail was actually calling out this level. I know. But really, yeah, we were talking about this. Look at this. It's going down to 500, it seems like. Waterfall 35 and then waterfall. Let's see. Yeah, so I did like the trade. The thing is, I was aggressive above here and I made some stupid decisions, and I should be in at least $150 dollar profit. But instead, I'm fighting for I'm trying to dig myself out of the hole here. I passed my first and I think I blew it up. All good. Oh, hey Martin, it happens to everyone. It happens to everybody. Listen, everybody goes through that. So don't beat yourself up to it. By the way, guys, if you can help out the stream, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're going to have giveaways, not today, but during this week. So everything is cool. Help out the stream. Let's expose the channel. And, you know, stay tuned. Thank you so much. We should give some tips to the market. Yeah, we should. The market makers should be having a direct phone line here or whatever. Okay. And don't forget it, guys, if you would like to support the channel and the stream, please use my codes on any of these prop firms that you see here or in the description. You can use the code tomsabo for basically every one of these prop firms. Bulenox still has the 90% sale today. Apex 71% down. MyFundedFutures gives you only a tiny 5%, but you know, $76 for an evaluation account, and it has no activation fee. So that's my favorite so far. Also, we have Take Profit Trader, very good discount, 50% off. Instant payouts, daily payouts with Take Profit Trader. And check out the rest, instant funded accounts with Fast Track Trading. Thank you so much. That was the commercial. Okay. All right. What is happening? A little bit of a slow morning, by the way. If you look at the 5-minute, look at this. Since 2 a.m., we are basically just... Oh, let me show you here. Since 2 a.m., we were basically just ranging. Now we came out from the range on both ends, and maybe we will see some movement, but you know. Martin, hey, just opened the take profit. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Shill. I do. Hey guys, I never denied it, and if that day comes, I will proudly say it, but I mean, currently I don't make a living from trading, all right? So I'm only able to be here full-time on YouTube, and trading is thanks to you guys who are using the codes and the links. Without the affiliate commissions, I could not be here full-time because I'm not a constant profitable trader. I'm not consistently profitable. I had payouts from multiple prop firms, but I cannot make a living from trading itself yet. But it's a journey. It's a long journey, and thank you so much for the support. Again, without the affiliate commissions, I could not be here, and that's it. So I need to shield those codes sooner or later. But I do it more rarely, you know, nowadays. I know that Streamlabs is spamming the chat, but I try to do it more rarely because it is what it is. But as soon as the balance is, you know, it's changing and I make more from trading and I can make a living from trading, that's what I wanted to say, I will let you guys know in the first place. Finally break even, let's go. Everyone uses premium oligarch signals. I didn't use them, Martin. Fast track is good. There is no data fee. This commission fee. Well, that's a plus. With the 20% consistency, it's not a, you know, I mean, you just go with base hits and it's fine. Oh, thank you, Big G. The truth disarms the trolls. I mean, that's the truth. If somebody was asking me, I never said I'm a consistently profitable trader. I'm still in the negative territory, and that's it. I have to do a check on how much money I spent overall on evaluation fees and activation fees with these prop firms that you see up there. With TopStep, I took $4,300 in payouts, but I know I spent at least $5,000 in combined accounts and activation fees. So overall, I'm still in the negative with TopStep. That one I know. And I know I'm still in the negative with MyFundedFutures. I'm gonna make a video maybe about that, of how much payout I had so far and how much I spent on evaluations and activation fees. It's definitely gonna be in the huge negative. So it's a journey. It's a road. It is what it is. But, you know, trying to reach that level. I would be super happy to say that, all right, guys, in the past month I made way more than I can make a living from. So that would be a great stream, great video. We will get there, you know. No Apex accounts, only my and take profit trader for me. Getting fast track trader, nice. Yeah, I understand, Naomi. So a lot of traders don't really like. I mean, it's a little bit annoying when you have to wait. I understand. I understand it. Still have time from the kill zone. I wonder if it's going to shift structure or not. Are we going to? Sadar, can I get payout with Bulenox if I hit my profit target in 15 days? Sure. Why couldn't you? Of course you can. Get a payout. You know, payouts are every Wednesday. So of course you can. If you get your 10 days in and you hit your profit target, make sure to hit, I mean, the minimum payout is $1,000 and you have to leave the safety threshold. So, wow, look at that. We might be having a possible long opportunity here. All right. Look at this, guys. Should I look into this trade? It's a little bit aggressive, to be honest. 3 micros. Should I look into that? I don't know. Hey, Abs. Has your approved turned to? Yes, it's already arrived to my account. Yes, so I got the money. I got the money. It arrived to the account. Yes. After, I mean, it should be within, I mean, within the 5 days, between 15 to 20. So today or tomorrow, you should be having it. Yeah. Let's talk more seriously. How was your Friday? Oh yeah, she was enjoying it. She was enjoying it. Hold on, I have to put a limit entry at All right, buy limit at, sorry guys, just a second, 51.50. I have a buy limit at 51.50. So yes, she was enjoying the beach and everything. We were having a good time. This is a short. Holy Grail says this is a short. I thought this is a long. I know we have some targets down there still, but I thought that this is a long. Check for 5 minutes. Yes, let's check the 5-minute candles. Yeah, I see what you mean there. I see what you mean, and I totally get it. I think I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Let me check the 1 hour as well. Yeah, I like the targets up there, so I'm gonna risk it. I don't know if I get tagged in or not. Not yet. $51.50 is my limit order. Still not yet. Okay, now I got tagged in. All right, I'm gonna be putting my stop down to 35 and my TP to 82. Not the best risk to reward, but it is what it is. This is the trade. Aggressive. Let me put this out. Aggressive trade. Actually, I might lower it right there. Final TP 81.50. Almost like a V-shaped recovery, but at least it has an order block at the top. Simon, hey. Simon Dawson, good morning. Yeah, it should you should be having it, abs. Also minimum 1,000 withdrawal on 25k. Maybe 500. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, it's 1,000. It's 1,000. I think, yeah. Looks like. Yeah. But I'm gonna check it on their website too, because I was looking at it on a different website. Yeah, that's the minimum withdrawal. Yeah, the 10k account has a $500 withdrawal minimum, so the 25k still has a $1,000 withdrawal minimum. Hi guys, there's no problem, Bob. Anyone knows if there is any issue with that? No issues that we know of yet. We have multiple people got payouts, so no issues. So multiple people are saying they got payouts from fast track trading. So yeah, I received $2,000. I received $1,000 from Bulenox and 2,000 from Apex last month. Oh, I mean, yeah, sorry. Fast track, yeah. So they have rhythmic issues across the board, not just fast track trading, MyFundedFutures and some other prop firms are having rhythmic connection issues. It's all over. Yeah, exactly the same as for me, Bob. It says exact risk management system is not connected. I think it should be a connection issue between Quant Tower and Rhythmic. Hopefully they will sort it out. There is an update, by the way, on Quant Tower this week, so make sure to update your Quant Tower too. How was setting up your plane account for first Apex? How long? It was very fast. Everything was uploaded, you know, the documents, and it was approved. I don't know, in a few hours or even sooner. Everything was approved very fast. Oh, you will blow it. This is the last update from Fast Track Trading. The issue appears to be on Rhythmic side. We are working through. Okay, thank you, Tamimi. Thank you for checking that. Yeah, it seems to be a Rhythmic issue. Hopefully they will sort it out. You know what? I'm gonna lower my risk a little bit, because if it trades below these levels, obviously it's gonna go lower. It has two higher lows, one here and one here. So if it breaks this one at 40, then we're just gonna go lower to 25. So why should I hold the trade longer, right? So just trying to lower my risk here, that's all. It's just Rhythmic on the web app and the phone app. Rhythmic not working, so it's not Quant Tower. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you, Cosmo. Thank you. Wasn't sure, but you know. If I blow my live account with Apex, would I have to start over? Yes, you have to start all over with the evaluation. Intraday setup. Well, you know, it happens, and you don't have to beat yourself up to it. It happens, and you just have to move on, and you have to learn from this mistake, because you know that's the only thing we can do. Next time you will know better. If not, then maybe after that or after that. But we have to learn from this, and it happened to basically every one of us. It's part of this, Martin. No reset on the funded account. You have to start all over, unfortunately. There you go. So Martin, you just have to start all over. It is what it is, you know. We're moving on. We're moving on. Of course, I know it sucks, especially when a funded account is blown, but I learned that the more I feel sorry about it for myself, it keeps hurting more, and you just need to focus, you know, on the next one, on the next trade, on risk management, and forget about it. It's in the past. You blow it, it's in the past. Just move on. Gotta move on. Guys, I don't like the way this one looks like right now. The way, no matter how I stretch this, this chart, it just doesn't really want to do what I like. There you go, Martin. I like that. Actually, don't give them. Yeah, don't give back the profits, guys. Yeah, that's the goal. You know, the only thing we can do is manage risk. That's the only thing. We cannot do anything about the market. Only thing we can do is manage risk. If this one would trade above 66, I would move my stop to maybe 46 or something, you know, or maybe even break even. I don't know. You sold your restaurant during COVID. Oh, 100K debt. So this is cake. Oh, let's go, Martin. Let's go. You know, that's the attitude. Let's go, Martin. I know you can do it. Trust the force. Yeah, the force is with us, but yes. Trust the force. Look at this. This is going to break above 65 or what? You know what? What I could do here is maybe actually move my stop a little bit closer. What do you guys think? Reducing my risk on this trade again, moving my stop to 46 in case it starts to waterfall, you know. And if it trades above 65.50, what's the high of this? Yeah, 65.50. I might just move it to break even. Maybe I'm moving my stop a little bit aggressively. Should leave some space for it to breathe. Maybe it needs more space. Honestly, I think there is no stopping on this for 94. That's what I think. And then back to 600. Pivot at 80. Let's go. If it goes to 80, it should be just a small step for it to break the 81. Okay. Break even. Should I put this to break even, guys? I don't know. I'm a little bit... I wanted to leave more space for this to... If I put it to break even... Alright, now it's at break even. But, you know, it's very close. It's like 10 points. It's nothing for NASDAQ. It can spike me out super easy. You know what? If I put it to break even now, I'm just gonna... I sold one contract. Actually, you know what? I'm selling one more. And that's it. Because this morning was absolutely crazy for me. And wanted to get back some losses. And at least I can put my account back to break even. Finishing up the session with the break even is also good. You know. So I sold 2 of the 3. And the rest of it is what it is. Maybe I should be grateful to be able to get out from this trade or this account in this session with the break even. I did stupid things earlier, and that's it. Supply under 5 minute. Let's go. Yeah. Put it below OTE. Yeah. Yeah, for now, I know what you mean, but you know, one of the reasons it felt a little bit heavy after peaking this top. And you know, I decided to take some of it down. I think I made the right decision. Or maybe not. Who knows? I don't know. Hopefully, I'm in long, 1 minute fair value gap, 548. Yeah, that's a good area. That's a good area. I still think that we can go higher. Now, obviously, if this one turns out to be a runner, where would I like this to go to? Above 91 or even higher? I don't know. That 81.50 level seems fine for me. The moon. How many points on NMQ aiming per day? Well, it depends on my risk, you know, Jose. It depending on my risk. Sometimes, you know, because I'm usually risking about $100, $150 on a funded account. That's about 10. I'm aiming for about 20 points, 25 on micros, at least, you know, depending on how much risk you go with. So you have to consider that too. The trader guy. Anyone get a market data connection failed error trying to log into Apex? Yeah, Quant Tower, it had, yeah, the issues are all over the place, trader guy. It seems like it's a rhythmic connection issue. Fast Track Trading, MyFundedFutures, and others are having the same problem as well with Quant Tower. Yeah, it's up to the style of trading. That's also a good answer, Abs. So, Jose, it's up to your risk, how much you risk, up to the style. What is your entry model, how you trade, what are you looking for, what are your risk to reward ratios. So it's not that simple like I go for 10 points. It's not that simple. It depends on some other factors too. 2040. Yeah, with micros, you know, 20 to 40 points a day is absolutely a good target on Nasdaq. Again, depending on your risk to reward ratio and your risk management style. Bought 250K accounts. Can't. Oh, don't worry about it. They are working on it. The trader guy. They aware of the issue, and they are working on it. They are working on it. It's a rhythmic problem. Currently, it seems like it. And by the way, just saying that the new feature of Trader Weight, actually, you can lock yourself out from the day, just as with TopStep X. Just saying. With the new feature, you can lock yourself out from the current trading day. There's no way you can get back in. And that's a very, very good feature at Trader Weight. So if some of you guys like TopStep X with this feature, then you're gonna like Trader Weight with every other prop firm who has Trader Weight. because the lockout feature is working. And there's no way you can change, so it's really locks you out. So with Rhythmic, you can actually override it in Rhythmic Trader Pro, but with TradeAwait, if you reach your profit target for the day, then you're completely locked out. There is no way you can get back into the account until next day. So that's a good thing. I think I'm gonna try it out. Market makes move into, yeah, that's true, Jose. Yeah, nothing wrong. Yeah, absolutely. It's up to your risk management style. Yeah, exactly like Ab says. But to be honest, this session is a little bit slower than I thought it will be. We still have some time from the kill zone, but you know, the only reasonable target for me would be if this one would go up there to the 1 minute order block. I guess we'll see. Yeah, aim for good setups. Also, MyFundedFutures has that future when it hit daily. Oh, yeah, they have it. The daily loss limit. Yes, Cosmo. It locks you out. It's true. It's true. Wolfak, hey, is the 20% off Top Step real with your code? Well, it's a newcomer bonus, so it's real. It's more detailed in the description. If you're registering a new account with Top Step and you click through my link, you should be able to have the 20% off with your first purchase and 50% off from your first reset. Yeah, so it's real, but it's a welcome bonus basically. That's it. But yeah, it works. It works. It locks you out. Yeah, everywhere, not just Apex. Every prop firm that has TradeAwait. So TradeAwait has updated the platform. So wherever you get a TradeAwait platform, you can lock yourself out if you reach your profit goal for the day. So that's a good thing. You can absolutely lock yourself out with any kind of prop firm that offers TradeAwait. At least it should be way like that. This market is sleepy. I don't know what's up with the market right now. Yeah, the 1 day pass is currently off. They're back to the basic sale, 71% with 7 day pass. So yeah, right now this is the only sale that they have. And don't forget, today is the last day for the 90% off Bulenox. And I got taken out break even with this one. I think I made the right decision that I closed partials. So yeah, I don't have any orders. No, I don't. So who does programming for a hedge company in London? He says their winning percentage is 60%. He was from Hungary. Whoa. That's wow. That's really a lot. That's awesome. I never believe that points and ticks. No, they're not the same. Points and ticks are absolutely not the same. So on NQ, 1 point is 4 ticks. So 1/4. basically. 0.25 is 1 tick. No, trader weight is technically better, but I use Rhythmic because of the multiple connection issue. I mean, I like to copy trade between multiple prop firms, Jose, and that's why I choose Rhythmic, because with Quant Tower it's super easy to copy trade. It's $17.50, Serdar. $17.50 right now. The upfront cost, the activation fee is $148, the 50K. So it's $1 cheaper than Top Step, but $148. But definitely the cheapest upfront cost right now is with Bulenox as of today. From tomorrow, I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe they're gonna go back to 83% or 75%. I don't know. Not working with Take Profit Trader. I mean, the code should be working with Take Profit Trader, if that's what you mean, Marco. You ever had trouble with Quant Tower? No, not really. I mean, sometimes there was some connection issue, and it put on one more order. But basically, no major issue. I know that when I was trading with NinjaTrader Replicanto, I was having more issues, but with Quant Tower, not really. So the built-in copy trader is actually very good, and it's free if you copy trade at the same prop firm, of course. And $30 per month for the multiple connection feature. Money prompter. What's the max accounts you can have? 10 accounts, 10 funded accounts, or 11, but I think it's 10. But it starts out like you can start with 3, and if you pass more evaluations, you can activate them, but they're gonna be on your dashboard as dormant, as pending. It's gonna say pending, because the only way they're gonna add you to the max 10 funded accounts when you push each and every, once every account above the safety threshold. For example, the safety threshold is $2,600 on the 50K account. So as soon as you push one of your funded accounts above $2,600, they're gonna automatically activate one more funded account, and so on and so on. And this is the way you can reach 10 funded accounts. So not like with Apex that you can instantly start with 20 accounts. Bulenox is, doing like this. You have to reach the safety threshold, and you can add more, but you can still pass the accounts, and they're gonna be there in pending. So no problem. Bulenox option 1 account. So there's option 1 and option 2 accounts. Option 1 account is basically the copycat of Apex. It's basically the copycat. Intraday trailing, no daily loss limit, $2,500 loss limit on the 50K accounts. Everything is basically the same. 40% consistency rule on the funded account, but you can do everything you want on the funded. Everything. There's no restrictions. The only thing is the 40% consistency rule. The option 2 account is basically the copycat of Top Step. There's a daily loss limit, which is a little bit bigger than Top Step. It's $1,100. The overall loss is still $2,500. There's a scaling rule that you can start with, I think, 2 minis or 20 micros, and you can build higher, but it's basically the copycat of Top Step. So end of day trailing, sorry, the main one, end of day trailing, daily loss limit. It's a soft breach, so you can continue the next day. Wow, look at this, man. What is happening? Look at this. Wow. Interesting move. And that's it. Option 2 accounts are working right now 75% off if you use the code tomsabo2 for option 2 accounts, and it's $43. So it's a little bit cheaper than Top Step currently. $43 for the option 2 accounts with the tomsabo2 code. I trade Ninja, Apex, Copy, Replicanto, and Quant Tower is the best. Yeah, no issues. Quant Tower has had no issues so far on my end with copy trading. Okay, look at this. What is happening? It's just swept some liquidity lower, and now it wants to go higher. I don't know if I want to jump in. No, I didn't try Lilo, Cosmo. Trade weight limits, they don't work. Oh, okay, they don't work for TPT. 11 for Bulenox. Sorry, Dan. Yeah, I was saying I wasn't sure if 10 or 11. 11 accounts for Bulenox. Sorry. So 11 accounts, 11 simulated funded accounts. Yeah, yeah. How much you pay for Quant Tower license? It's free as long as you're copy trading at the same prop firm. By the way, it's totally free. If you want to copy trade between multiple prop firms, then you have to pay $30 fee per month. So it's a monthly $30. It's called Advanced Features. It has the multiple connection thing. Bulenox option 1 is a good one. Yeah. There is no restrictions on master account. Yeah, you can do everything you want on the funded account with Bulenox. The only restrictions, I mean, the 40% consistency rule. But you can trade the news, you can DCA, you can bracket order, whatever you want. You can do what you can go inconsistent contract sizing, micro scalping, whatever. It's up to you. I don't know if how long is it gonna stay like this, but for now, Bulenox has no rules other than the 40% consistency rule on the funded account. For now. At least we have not heard any issue about it, you know. So TopStep is the top dog. Yeah, TopStep is an OG prop firm. Absolutely. They're established in 2012. So yeah. Hold on a second, just a second here. Phone call. Sorry guys, quickie phone call. Does TopStep have the same rules as Bulenox, like microscoping? Everything is allowed at TopStep for now. So not even a consistency rule. So you can pretty much do anything you want at TopStep on the funded account. So yeah, no restrictions. What is this price action right now? Did we have some news or something? Kill zone is almost over. 5 minutes is pretty much like sweeping liquidity in both directions. I don't like this setup here. Indecision in the market. We have this long wick to the downside. Feels like, I don't know if it's gonna hold. I'm not taking it. Yeah, by the way, so TopStep X is a great platform, but it's not their own platform. It's just rebranded by TopStep, but it's not their own. I don't even know the company's name. Oh, man. But they bought the license from a company. They just put their logo on the platform. Straight away. No, the Topstep X is not trade await. Something else. Somebody said it, but I forgot which company is that provides the platform for Topstep X. Hey, Richard the Beast. Good morning. Yeah, we are welcome. Good morning. Actually, guys, I don't even think I'm. It's trading. It's sort of like TradingView, but they said something else. I don't know which platform. I couldn't tell you now, but I'm gonna search for it. Well, I don't know about the issues because I don't trade the Topstep X platform, but I do have a funded account with Topstep, but with Rhythmic. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna Project X. I don't know about that, Frank. It's seem to funded. Oh, that's I think Matt Scalper seem to funded, but it uses TradingView charts. Yes, it's something like that. I think it seemed to funded. Anyway, I think I'm gonna call it here, guys, because the kill zone is over. It might go higher. I would say should be going for the 80s, but I'm not taking the trade. So that's it for me. I'm coming back in the New York session. It was an interesting session. I made some stupid mistakes, but got out at around break even from this account. A bit of a scratch here, but thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. I'll be back for New York, and if you would like to support the channel, please, you can use my not my clothes, but my codes and my links. I'm a little bit tired today, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back for New York session. All right, so trade safely, enjoy the Monday, and let's make some profits in New York session. All right, so thank you everybody, have a good one, see you later. Cheers everyone.